Alright, so we're ready for the assignments again. Now there was a little bit of a mistake in the previous video. It was not a mistake, but I did a mistake in my assignment. So I'm gonna fix it now. So the thing is that lab first text. The thing is that the exercise was of lab 1, right? And the exercise of lab 1 is this one, right? Lab 1 or exercise 1, but it starts from here, so I've not done 1, 2 and 3. Alright, so that's the mistake. So I'll do this fast. And the background theory, there is a little bit of what is programming language, types of programming languages, introduction to C programming language, compilation process, structure, everything. I'm going to write that now because that's what I have to do. Okay, so background description, yeah, I'll write it here. Programming, right? Programming is an act of giving instructions to the computer. What is programming languages? This is done through a programming language which is compiled to the machine level language by a compiler or interpreter. So there are mainly two types of programming languages. They are high level and low level programming languages. We program in a high level language called C. Okay, so that's it. So compilation process is structure of C program, differentiate between compiler and interpreter, difference between software and firmware, everything I have to write it. So basically that is the thing. Now item compilation process in C. So what is the compilation process? Compilation process. The compilation process is less or more the translation of the high level language, that is C source code, to machine code. First, compiler compiles the source code, one file or many, into object code, and then the linker links them, which will make the final executable binary for the program. The compiler checks for syntax errors. What are the errors? Computer txt. Documents ls. Okay. What was the kind of error? There aren't any error. I think there aren't. Leave it. Syntax errors, and only compiles if the source code is error free. Okay, structure of a C program. C structure of a C program. I think I have to write that here. Okay. Subsection structure of the C program. So LST listing frame equal to single. The following is the basic structure of the C program. So it is include IO.h. Here I will comment out including the hero files and main the main function and for so yeah, statement exit code. I think that's it about the compilation process. Structures here, a difference between compiler and interpreter. So there is a basic difference between compiler and interpreter. Okay, I have to write that also. I do not know that I needed to write that, so but basically I'm gonna write that. Well, difference between compiler and interpreter. I think I have to write here compilation process. No, I have to write it here, right? So yeah, I think section subsection section reference in compiler and interpreter. Okay. X. So here text with X. Okay. You may say it is a large text compiler and large text interpreter. Compiler compile the whole code at once and produces the binary output. An interpreter interprets the code line by line. And that's the first difference between. Should I give horizontal line between them? There's already a horizontal line there. Yeah, I think S line is to be needed. Save that and start live preview. Compiler coded once and interpreter interprets the code line by line. Okay, I think I needed this thing here. Okay. Alright. Oh shit, what did happen? Okay, and interpreter interprets the thing. Universal code line when I add the binary output. And what is the other difference? The execution time of compiler is faster, of compiled programs are faster than interpreted programs. Execution time of, what is it? Interpreted programs are faster than compiled programs. Compiled programs. Compiled programs. What are others? I think a little bit of V space is needed right there. Is there? Needed V space, yeah. Space 0.5 centimeters. Okay, maybe. The large is a little bit larger. Okay. Other one is the debugging is comparatively harder in compiler than interpreter. The debugging is comparatively slower, faster, and easier in interpreter than compiler. So that's line. And what are others? Let me think. Other interpreter. What is it? Compilers. The compilation time is larger. Interpretation time. Interpretation time is less than the the compilation time as line, and example of compilers are GCC, Clang, and for etc. Examples of better are best, better, Python interpreter, etc. Oh, that's it. I learned that much. The main function statement exit code. Difference between software and firmware. Again, difference between software and firmware. I think I'm not. I should not write that much. It's already very long. But yeah, if I'm gonna write the same thing as both of the things, then I have to write that too. The software and firmware. I think I have to delete this. I do not need the difference between compiler and interpreter written there. That's going to be okay with this thing. Alright. Why there is no any V space? I have to include that, man. I do not know what the heck it is happening. It is nice and good before. Right. Because this is class and something. I think there is no need to make it large. Oh. And difference between software and firmware. Difference between software and firmware. So what is the difference between software and firmware? Ruler X, text with X, okay. Text BF, software and there's BF that's line. What is the difference between software and firmware? I don't know really. I'll write that later. Let me go towards the programming stuff. And number one is type the following program and see the output. I've done the opposite of that. Okay, a basic structure, C program here. Now this is the item. Questions are here. Write a character using TextEdit get char, display it. but table declaration is 4. 1 2 3 4 5. It is different. It means this one is 1 and the thing that I did was 2. Okay, it was 2, I think. So I think I have to do it 1. Okay, subsection section questions not. It should be lab second. Okay, is it lab second? I have to start a section for section lab first now. Okay, lab first. Now I started with a subsection. Okay, let me move this to 4. Yeah. So what is it? Subsection, it is branching structures, subsection. Subsection, what is subsection? Type the following program and see the input. Type the following program and the output. Type the following program and see the output. I have to write the whole program. Shit. So it is framing on symbol, and I have to write the whole program. Include stdio.h. What the heck? Include conio.h. This conio is not really needed now. Void main void print f. This is my first C program and get. Alright, so this is what we want. Let me copy this. What the heck? Why the mouse is not working? Yeah, I know it is not gonna work, because the thing with the browser is a little bit buggy. So this is the thing. Let me open another browser and then com.c. So I'm going to erase all of them. Paste the thing. Okay, I'm going to block select this. Z. Select this and delete it. Okay. Alright, so this is the thing. I'm gonna compile it. Compile it means clang com.c or com. Conio is not found. Maybe lm will work. No, conio is not found. Alright, so this is basically a problem. Why it is basically a problem? Because conio is basically not needed. Right? So the get thing is really a deprecated thing here, and it is not going to work. So console input output in clang. So if you do like that. So ms does create text user interfaces. Okay, so basically, so C standard library of POSIX does not include the conio thing here. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit of cheating thing. I'm going to just write scanf and nothing. Do nothing. Maybe get char is a better thing. Get char. Okay, I'll just do it. Because the thing is that this is deprecated. Okay. That's it. So I think I have to screenshot this. Reason. This is my first program. So that's it. And the other thing that I want to do here is to actually open a new terminal and resize it like this and cd into LaTeX document. Why it is not working? Oh, documents, LaTeX document, computer lab, yes. So here may be everything that we need. Yeah, okay. So MB, let's get it just one. Okay. Output and vertical space is 1 centimeter. So since include graphics, the traditional width is 15 centimeter, and the thing is going to be tab the last one. Okay. Okay. So this is it. So since the first challenge that I had is this one, the sketch is not really needed now. So this one should be at 4 maybe. Alright. So yeah, type the following program and run with different input. Okay, type the following program and run with a different input. Oh, okay, I'll type from here. What was that? Com.say. Okay. Include stdio.h. Include audio.h. Void main. Void is just deprecated. It used to be used. Hold it 20. Print f. Enter the value of a. Scan f from D and A. Enter the value of B, and it is as equal to A plus B times C. Processing. Print f sum is equal to D as get char. So I just do not need that thing. Alright, so clang warning is generated. 362. What the heck is happening? sum is equal to G. A plus B times C. Sum is equal to, what is C is equal to 20? Oh yeah, A plus B times C. Just to observe the output. Alright. Clang. Not written a value. Oh, it is. I knew that it was deprecated, and this is the problem. The int main function is better than void main. And look, there is no any warnings now. 1, 2, 41. Why it is giving that percentage sign, I do not know why it is giving. Let me remove that. Let me test it again. That is just kind of termination symbol, I suppose. That is 41. So it is 1 plus 2 into 20. 2 into 20 is 40, and it is 41. Okay. So I think I have to copy it. The thing is cat com.c double copy. Paste it right there. I'm not even copied the question now. Okay. Subsection type the following program and see the output. Run with different input. Program and run with input. I suppose that there should be 2 or 3 screenshots now, because it is saying to run with the different inputs right there. And yeah. Alright, so I think I have to copy this thing. Just yank this. And different input, paste it. And you're going to remove this, delete this, and just paste the thing that you had just copied. Okay. Left first. Why the K is there? Output, and this space is, you know, 1 centimeter. So I have to screenshot that thing. Reason this one is to be screenshotted. Okay, MB 21, just there. And include graphics, and width is the traditional 15 centimeters, and the last one, okay, should appear there. Man, lab second ... Okay. I think 15 centimeters is too big, but yeah, that's okay. Right. Okay. Is it A4 paper and it is using full page package? Then no. Full page. Alright, it's using it. So yeah. Where is that? Okay. Second one is finished. Third one. Again the same kind of problem, which I hate. Type the following program and see the output, nvim.com.c. Just erase this thing here. Okay, the thing that I have to modify here, because it is not regarding the syllabus, because the syllabus is not updated. It is deprecated thing. So I have to include the conio.dat. And instead of getchar, you have to use sketch, which is just going to work in the Windows system, but it's not going to work here. Conio.dat, yeah, that's good. That's it. That is what you should have, right? Alright, what the heck? I just run it very fast. Here. So subsection. What is the question? Type the following program and run and see the input. Type the following program and run and see the output. So LST listings. LST listing. That is LST listing. Yeah. So you just frame the symbol. Okay. So what is the code? Int s a b float p print f address of s is x and s. Print f always. I just forget that. The thing is print f, what the heck, y address x is x s. Address of a is x a. There's a spelling error. Address should be the address of a is x a. And occupied number of bytes by variable is, what is that? Variable s is the size of s. Alright. Print f and size of the size of b. Print f and size of 1.5 is the size of 5. Print f one, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Size of float type the size of float. Getcha. Float data type and everything. I think it is gonna work. Okay. Six warnings are there, man. 6 warnings. Okay. As is this one, occupied variables, whatever. I'm just gonna copy this thing. What was that? Can not see copy Okay, I'm just gonna paste it real here, and I'm gonna include Pulchowk.h and getchar output is what is it, displays centimeters. It is going to be include graphics. Width is the traditional 15 centimeters, and I'm going to screenshot this reason, this thing right here. Alright, so move that thing 2021 to right there, and the last one is going to be the thing. Alright, 1.3. Oh, and ID size of the size of thing is a little bit off. It should be in the other. I think I have to decrease the size, man. It is too large. I think half of it, maybe 6 centimeters. Man, it is too less. 6, 8. And let me keep it increasing. Even 10 is going to be there. I'll keep this in the center. Okay, that's gonna work basically. Yeah, no any paste breaks now. Alright, so okay, now 3 of the programs are finished. Exercise 1. Oh shit, the same kind of problem, man. Okay, man, it is being too cumbersome now. Alright, what I'm going to do is this one: compile, run, and observe and think about the output of the following program. Void main int x, y, z clr str. I do not know the thing. Okay, clear screen in C. Because the bindings are different. Turbo C. System clear. That's it. System clear. System, and this is a new one basically. The system will execute the system commands. Okay, that's it. Get character. Get character. Where the heck is that? Yeah, system clear. X is equal to 30,000, y is equal to 20,000, z is equal to x plus y, print f sum is equal to d z. Oh shit. So I'm gonna go to 50,000. What to think about in this thing? It has just cleared the screen. Oh shit, what the heck? What is it? Let's see. Copy. Alright. Let's see, double copy section. I have to copy the question. Type the following and run. See the input and think about the output. Think about output of the following program. Okay, this thing. Basically here same is single. Okay, get shop. This should be get and the young kids call me off for that. Right, I think int main is not to be used here. Maybe I'll write void main everywhere. Even here I think there is int main. Void. Until I'm not asked to do, I have to type everything that the thing there is, right? Okay, yeah. Okay, it is going down there. Alright, and output is LST listing. What is output? The output is yeah, I'm not copied it. It does include graphics. The goal width is 15 centimeters, and it is tab. Why the tab is not working, man? Why the heck? Oh, there's a mistake here. Graphics width equal to 15 centimeters, and it is the last one. Okay. Space 1 centimeter. Okay, now again, another one. I have to copy this thing. Vim type oh man, the thing that I forgot is this one. Okay, I have to take the screenshot again. Just cancel it. Right. And so clang it. Com minus 50,000. Output xtdd x equal to minus 20,000, y equal to minus 30,000, and b 20,000 dot include graphics with 15 centimeters, and the last one. It is a little difficult to work with this thing here. Why is TextEdit not working? Output TT, is it TextEdit? Oh no, rod maybe. I will change running this to this. I think it'll work. No, it is not working. Yeah, it is working. That's great. Yeah, but I want them in this space. Okay. Oh, same thing here. But I think 0.5 centimeters will be okay. Output when. Alright. So the other one is, let me like write the questions first. So subsection. The other question is run and observe the following. And observe the following output of the program. Run and observe following output of program. Following output of the program. Okay, and then gone. Let's see. I'm being bored now. So okay. Float. What the heck? Float. Oh shit. A char B long int C unsigned int E S here clear screen print F, enter the value of A, scan F, and A, and F, enter the value of B, enter the value of B, scan F, and B. The space before print F, enter the value of C and E and F, LD, D, U, C and E. What the heck is this, man? Print F, value of A, F value of B, value of C, value of E, mu A, B, C, E. Alright, let me compile this. Error, undeclared identifier C. Oh. Okay. Invalid operands for by a character and implicit declaration of CL, or what the heck is that? Okay, the CLR SCR is just provided by system, right? So what it is happening, I'm just copying the thing and it is not working. LD U C E, 7th line. Let me look at that. 7th line. It's FA. It's just working. Why isn't? Into the value of B. Invalid operand for binary expression. Character 3, character B, scanf F and A. What is A? It is a float, and it is F and oh man, I forgot that comma. So yeah, CLR is here. It's just not working. It's in the system clear in a Linux system. So yeah, into the value of A, 2.3, 5, 6, 7, value of 6, 7, long int, unsigned int, let me run the same thing. 12, 4, 6, 7, yeah, whatever it is. So let me copy that, cat com.c, copy, and let me screenshot it. That much. Okay. Program lst listing. Why the heck it is not? No. Why the heck it is like that? I'm just cutting it out. No, I think this is a screenshot. Because there is also can be a copy to the clipboard. Get and void man and conio. So that's it. VFV. I should write like this. And frame. Sing without frame, it just does not sing it. Paper. Output and this space. Line 5. And the last one. Okay, if that is the thing. Man, not 1.5, it is 15. Shit. Oh. Okay, yeah, everything till now was just nonsense programming. So now it is the real programming that we're gonna do. Okay, so write a program to convert centigrade meters to Fahrenheit using this one. Write a program to compute. Should it, you know? Okay, basically scan it. Printf. Write the temperature in Celsius. So yeah, write the temperature in Celsius. Scanf. It should scanf it in float, right? Float. It is and in C. Float C and float C and float F. Float F is equal to 1.8 C plus 32. Man, better to give spaces here. 1.8 times C. Okay. So yeah. Printf, scanf, everything is done. Now printf, I think the temperature in Fahrenheit is F and it should be F. I think this should work, right? F. Oh man, shit, where is the semicolon? Okay. Oh shit, again the thing, man. Clang. Okay. It is temperature in Celsius 0. Fahrenheit is 0. Oh, what the heck is this talking about? .8 into Celsius. This should be 32, but why it is not? I do not know why the heck it is happening. Temperature double, but argument is type not zero. Really? What the heck it is happening? And C and F point. Alright, so let me remove those. Let me see if that works. Is there's F? Why the heck is it not running? 32 0. Why the heck this is happening? The temperature in Celsius is scan F and C, and printf the temperature in Fahrenheit is F and F. Why it is happening? Is it because I choose the capitals here? Okay. GU. So FF, is that what is happening? I do not know really. No. Undeclared identifier. Oh. So ZU. One error. Again, undeclared identifier. So ZU. I'm just gonna decapitalize everything. Yeah. Why the heck it is happening? Write a program to convert the given centigrade measure to Fahrenheit using the formula. Oh shit. This is relatively easier program than what I was doing till now, but it seems to be difficult. Why is it happening? E and the Celsius, and it is F. It is float, and it is float. Oh man, what is the problem? This problem is not double. Format specifies type double, but the argument has type float. Okay, I'll just type this double. And so double star. Okay. Oh, now I think I recognize the formula. Recognize the thing. So the float is C and F, maybe like this. Is it? Or float F. Is that gonna work? No, it's the same thing. As type 832 1.8. Everything. I've written many programs using float, but I don't know why the heck it is not happening here. This one. This is a character. This is also a float. Float radius, pi 3.14, and f and radius, and everything is going okay here. Why the thing is not happening? I just did the same thing yesterday, but it is not happening really. Is it because the spaces? I do not really know. No. Fahrenheit is, if I did the same thing here, then what will happen? C plus 32. So if this is what I'm going to do, it is working now. Why it wasn't working the other time? Well, let me see. Area is equal to this times that thing, and times C. It's gonna C. It is gonna read. It is gonna have the same C. And oh shit, I cannot figure this out. Oh man, what kind of thing is this? Merely simple program, and it is, 11. How many programs are there? This much. This is it. Right. 11 programs. Convert the given centigrade measure to Fahrenheit using relation. Oh shit, man. The temperature in Fahrenheit is F 1.8 times C plus 32. Why it isn't working? I think I have to do like this. Plot. So I think we'll have this thing. Okay, so that's it. Yeah. We'll have to use the float. The calculation will be in double. So yeah, that's it. That is what I wanted to have. And the second thing that I want to have is clang com 32 89. What the heck, man? Yeah, 32 is 89. No. 32 should be 0. 32 should be 0. Oh, really? No, 0 should be 32 actually. Yeah. 0 should be 32. Yeah. 0 degree Celsius and Celsius, it should be 32. Okay, cat. Now, this is kind of shit problem. What the heck? Double copy. Okay, if these kind of problems come while you're programming real, then it is going to be a nightmare, but it is just not unwanted things. So lab second is right here. Okay. What was the question? Subsection. It is write a program to compute the equivalent. Write a program to convert centigrade measure. Write a program to convert centigrade measure to Fahrenheit measure. Fahrenheit using relation. Relation is F is equal to 1.8 C plus 32. Alright. Now, what I'm going to do is the same thing. listing effects and frame is single and paste the thing that is being copied. Alright, I think I have the page break in this thing. Page break. I think you have to just remove all the page breaks and just write it, right? So what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to do some Vim magic. So I'm going to record a macro. It is easy to delete by other sense, but I'm going to do it the fun way. So I'm going to record a macro, QD, start a macro, page break. It's going to search for the line where there is page break, and it's going to do DD. It's going to delete the page break. Now Q to do it and run it maybe 10 different times. So that's it. So every page break is now gone. Okay, so there's no any page breaks now. All right. So yeah, the output is what I need. Reason. Okay. Move it. Okay, now these spaces there. String using. Which one is this? Output. Space 1 centimeter. Include graphics 15 centimeter and tab the last one. Okay. This seems to be too large in 15 centimeters. So I think 10 centimeters is going to be okay for this thing. I'm really tired now. No, it's not working. Oh man, width. I forgot. Sometimes it happens. Okay. Lab section, graphics. Now the other one. Fahrenheit is finished, right? Write a program to compute equivalent resistance of two resistors when they're connected in series and parallel combination. Okay. Subsection. Write a program to calculate the equivalent resistance of two resistors R1 and R2, and they are connected in series and parallel combination. Okay, now series and parallel combination. What I'm going to do is float R1, R2, Now what I'm gonna do is series parallel. So that's going to be a little bit clear. So print f price the of R1 and R2. So and scanf should be float and float, and it should store to the R1 and R2. Right, so series is equal to float. I do not know why the heck it is necessary. R1 plus R2 parallel equal to, isn't it parallel? Not. It is R1 times R2, R1 plus R2. So print the equivalent resistance in series is what, F series. So and equal parallel. Okay. So I think this is okay. Plan from 2 and 3, 5. I think I have to do F%. The equivalent resistance in series. Alright. Cat com.hc copy. It is listing LST. What is that? Frame single. Paste the code here. And output, and it's going to be the space of 1 centimeter and includes graphics width is going to be 15 centimeters. But the thing is that the screenshot is not taken, so screenshot everything here. Okay, this much is enough. Alright, so MV let's see the tab and the 1643. Okay. Alright. Write a program to read the two endpoints of a line and compute their midpoint and display it. Shit. end point of a line. Yeah, right. So let's see, I think I have to V7J key. What I have to do is now declare float x1, y1, x2, y2, m1, m2. So basically the other thing. printf is x1, y1. What is the value coordinates of x1, coordinates of one end is x1 and x1, y1 is okay. Print scan f will be percentage f and x1 and y1, right? So yeah, 2 and 2, 2 and 2. Okay, so midpoint m1 is equal to float x1 plus x2 by 2. 2 is equal to float y1 plus y2 2 and what is that? The coordinates of midpoint is f is just m1 and m2. I think this should work. x1, y1 is 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to do this thing. Oh shit, man. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so cat on the say no copy. Subsection. What is it? Write a program to read 2 endpoints of a line. Write a program to read 2 endpoints of a line. Compute their third midpoint and display it. Alright. Frame equal to single. Alright, so this is it. Alright. Okay, output is what? Begin ship. This space is 1 centimeter. That is the culture. Graphics width is going to be 15 centimeter. I could have made a command that would save me hours of typing this. Yeah, that's it. I'll make it after I do this thing. Include graphics. I'm not screenshot it. So I'm gonna screenshot this thing. Okay. Let me move to the working directory 2021 dot and just have it. The last one is going to be the thing that I do. Okay. This one is this one, right? 1.8, 2 and 3, 3, 4, 4 by 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 6, 3. All right. So that's it. And now the other subsection. What subsection? Deploy and display. Write a program to read number of girls and boys in your class and display the ratio of girls to boys. Write a program to read number of girls to boys in your class and display the ratio of girls to boys. Ratio of girls to boys. Alright. See. So with the ratio of girls to boys, right? Girls to boys in your class, whatever you need. So not int girls boys ratio and print number of girls. So number of girls and this scanf. Okay. Scanf is going to be integer. What? There's and boys and boys. Alright. So the ratio is equal to you'll kind of display the ratio of girls to boys, means girls to boys. Alright, float. With the ratio, okay. dt this one and the float it is a paste. So delete it. I'll stop boys. Now alright. Ratio is equal to girls by boys. Okay. Ratio is equal to flow to girls and boys. Alright. So printf, right? Printf ratio of gross to voice. It is what? It is float, right? It is float, and it is F. It is ratio. Okay. Number of girls, yeah. I'm gonna just write it real. Boys, 20. 0.2%. A little bit of. I just always forget that to do. 0.2. Yeah. Okay, clang. .com, number of girls, yeah, that is true. Boys, it is 20. 0.2, yeah, 4, 1 by 5. That's it. So I think there's a spelling mistake there, girls. Oh, whatever. I just don't care about the spelling mistakes. So LST listing. So I did screenshot it, right? Listing 2021 dot. So listings are not important right now. Just output I'll write. Yeah, v space of 1 centimeter, and include graphics. Right, visible on 5 centimeter. It is the last one. Okay. 1.5. Shit, man. 1.5. That is comedy. Okay, I have not copied it. So cat copy. So, and also the other thing is that f frame is equal to single. I don't think I have to write it every time. I'll just write it here because frame is equal to single. What the heck, man? This is the most stupid thing I was doing, right? Because yeah, that is not a thing to be done, really. Okay, frame is equal to single. So there's actually no need to do that now. So this one was 1.9, right? 1.9. So there's a little bit of, I have some emergencies going on. So I'll come back after an emergency after copying the question. Write the program what the heck is that? Prograwrite. What the heck? Write a Prograwrite program. Write a program to evaluate the expressions. Right. Write a program to evaluate the expressions. So yeah, I include what the heck. Subsection. Write a program to evaluate the expression. Right. I think that is no, ABCD, so I have to write enumerate package. enumerate. And it's F5, not F6. So enumerate package. And just write huge package enumerate. So GG. Where the heck? It is gone. I just forgot the vim command. So to come back here every time. I think I have to mark it. Yeah. So yeah, alright. Item enumerate item. So that's it, and it is going to be a dot. It's going to enumerate a. So yeah, we just write s is equal to x cubed plus 0.2 xy. I think s is equal to x cubed plus 0.2 xy plus y squared, right? So that's it. I think I should text bf this thing. Okay. Say to me, what the heck? I don't know how to text bf this thing. Text bf maybe like this. Like this. Is it gonna work? I do not really know, but yeah, it works. And large a little bit. That is very small. Large. Be large. Right, that is the spirit. Okay, now first I have to do the program. Before doing that, let me go and pee. So I'm back after peeing. Now I'll do the work. So what the heck I'm gonna do is to evaluate that expression. Alright, I think I have to scan of the value of x and y. So yeah, plot x, y, s. Right, these are the three. Small s. Oh, it is capital. S. I didn't know that. Float x, y, s, and s is equal to x times x times x plus 0.2 times x times y plus y to the power 7. I think I have to include the math library now. So, math, so I can just cover now. It is x to the power of 3, right? And power y to the power 7. Print f of x and y. Scan f. Oh shit. Scan f. Both are floats, so f and x y. Right, and power print the evaluated output is s is equal to float. Where the heck is semicolon? Shit. What the heck is happening? This float already. And what the other one? What the heck is it? Scan f x. Man, and I always forget this and. Shit. I think the same mistake I think I've done there. Or 29.40. Right. Copy. What the heck? Cat on the C. Double copy. Listings. Enumerate. String. Whatever I've copied. So what I want is output, and it's going to be help space Oh man. Evaluate what kind of expression? Man. A plus b to the power of 2x plus y, a plus b to the power of a plus b to the power of a plus b to the power of 2x plus y, 2x plus y, and p minus q. All of the values are to be wait the heck, man. What is happening? It is not enumeration. I think there was something that I didn't know about this package. But it's still like that, man. I didn't really know that. So I'll just write A here. A, B, maybe here. Can I write it? No, I think I will look at the enumerate package. So that is not PDF. Enumerate package. Enumerate. Custom enumerate. Enumerate examples. exe environment. This is a sub example. X list. Begin enumerate. Optimize enumerate. Whatever it is. I'll figure it out after some time. I do not really have time to learn that. So that is it. Okay. LS listing now. Full and vim .c. So a plus b 2x plus y not a b x y p q a b c a b x y p q. Alright, so this is it. What I have to do is now I have to plot. I have to do that expression. So how can I do that expression? So in order to evaluate it, let me create a new variable f power, and again the power 1 and final. So power is equal to slot. I don't know what I have to specify. So 2x plus y times p minus q, and final is equal to power a plus b power. This b power plus c minus 100. Alright, so print f the evaluated output is final. Okay, and now let me do printf. Write the values of a, b, c, x, y, p, q, x, y, p, q, right, scanf, f 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 a, b, c, x, y, p, q. Q. Oh shit. All right. And oh shit, I always do this. I always forget and here. And do the same thing. Okay. One, 3, 5, 4, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 95. Let me check this. Minus 95, whether that is correct or not. In my calculator, I do not really have a calculator, so I have to check that in my mobile phone whether this thing is right or not. So a plus b, that is 1 plus 3 to the power of 2x, 2 into x is 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, again 5, 3, pq is 5, 3 times 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3, no, it is too big, and this thing is too big. How it is not outputting the output. Okay, I think long left. So minutes time. I think double is a better one. Double. 1 3 5 3 5 3 1 3 5 3 1 3 5 3 5 3 3 5 3 3 5 3 5 3 6 3 6 again minus 95. Let me do a little bit simple solution. I'll just do it 1 plus 1 plus 2 2 into 1 plus 3 4 100. Okay, 1 2 is 1 2 2 into x 100 1 2 100 x is 1 y is 2 and is 5 and 4 81, right? That's true. Now we'll copy cat com.c yeah, so the other one is this one, and let's do listing. So output alright, with 1.5. I'm taking the screenshot. MV all right. It is not 1.5, it is 15 centimeters. On pixels, man. Okay, this one is also finished. R is equal to A by V when your V are integers. Int, I don't think I need this. AB, I think capital GG, oh, GUU, and capital B are integers, so ratio C. Float R is equal to float A by B. Print F right A and B. F D integer A and B. Print F. Write the thing. Write what the ratio is. The ratio is what is the ratio? Just R. Just float. Semicolon problems. Alright. Third, right? R equal to AYB, where A and B are integers. Right. I don't know how to do that, man. ST no. So listing LST listing, yeah. String F5, yeah. Okay, so output space is 1 centimeters, include graphics is width 15 centimeters. What the heck? Okay, have I taken the screenshot? No. So screenshot is this thing, yeah. So MB 2021 dot underneath the last one. Alright, any other problem? Okay, there's a bigger problem, and I think I have to bring this to the here in order to even write it. So it is item r is equal to math mode, r is equal to uyx plus uyy to the power 5 divided by what kind of division procedure? Square by 3 by 3 u 2.5 is q by 2 v. Now this is really confusing expression. Whether the v is same in q by 2v or is it different and something like that. It is suspicious. What the heck? U by x, v by 5 square by e to the power of p squared by 3 u to the power of 2 by 5 minus what the heck this is, man. I've just written it so, oh man, holy shit. This is really a pain to do that. Let me do the 11 number first. It is going to be easy. Write the program to swap values of two variables. Okay. Section lab second, and write a program. Section. To swap values of two variables. Okay, lst listing z. Okay. I'll write a program to swap two values of two variables, say a and b. I think I do not need any input for this thing, because actually I don't think that input was needed in this, but whatever. Swap the two variables. So int a equals 20, b equal to 30, and so what I'm going to do is set a is and temp is equal to a is equal to b, b is equal to a, print f b is f and b is d and a is d. B A. I think I called it one. A B. Yeah, I think I have to end this together. I think there should be new line. Oh shit, man, semicolons. Base. Yeah, B is 20. Temporary is equal to A, right? So A is B equal to temporary. Okay. That's the listing, right? So the copy the code. Cat. Let's see. Copy. So privilege. The thing is, this one is. I think I'll just screenshot it. Okay, now this one. Alright, so output is space centimeter and output. What is the output? Oh yeah, I forgot to do things sometimes. I'm too tired. Okay, and then no. Well, what is it actually? What is it? Include graphics. Sometimes what it is happen where they go to 15 centimeters, and yeah, the last one. Okay, there's that. Okay, I think this is it, what we need, right? Okay, well, let me go to the beginning of the document and do some, things that is to be done here in the cover page section. Name, there should be a space right there, right? Date is maybe what, today. June 2021. Or today, or 2021 77 Vaishakha. There's no Vaishakha, it is whatever. Sir. Okay, it seems to be okay. Background, software, firmware. Cutter. GCC Clang. So how should I write these two? I don't really know. Should I write those or not? But nearly everything is finished, so I'm not gonna do this. Page number 4, let me look at page number 5. If there is anything special here. Is this 8, 9, 10, 11? No, this shouldn't be. Page number 5. 2, this one is 7. This one is 3. This is done, right? This one is 5. Yeah, this is done. Yeah, alright, so lab 1 and 2 is finished. Okay. GCC Clang. What is the version of Clang? Clang speed. GNU Clang. Thread model Linux. Clang version I'm asking for. Clang version 12.0.0. Alright. Compiler. Okay. So compiler I used here is Clang 12.0.0. And then the text editor. And I think I'll save it. I have to quit it. I'll save this thing again. Quit it, and what I can do is the LaTeX first text. Okay, that's it. So yeah, that's it. So thank you.